are here to be a joint. This is what y'all been waiting on, baby. We gonna give it to you live and direct.
Welcome to Pattaya where the players play, where they zoom to Thailand from the USA. No stress, no police to duck, all peace. Relax overseas with the travel OG. Women are beautiful, damn they love black. Pay a visit, I promise you come back. Passport, Mac, freedom papers, I take it. Told me he don't want me to lead a plantation. Now they hate me. Propaganda content, mad cause I'm living abroad with no nonsense. Cut the nonsense, I'm not to be played. Let the games in DR like tailor-made. Out of the maze, it's looking so amazing. Brown skin thick and fine, call her blazing. So contagious, we hitting like sports. Get out the way or get your passports.
Welcome to Pattaya.
Church, Richard, church.
Welcome to Pattaya where the players play, where we zoom to Thailand like every day. No stress, no police to duck, all peace. Relax overseas with the travel OG. Welcome to Pattaya where the players play, where they zoom to Thailand like every day. No stress, no police to duck, all peace. Relax overseas with the travel OG.
This flight here is United Brother with passports all over the world. So it's best to take your DR flight, hop a Spirit and get your pookie on.
Why y'all come to Thailand, man?
You're the reason I came to Thailand.
Richie Mac. We wanted to.
Pattaya is the 10th largest city in Thailand. It's located about 62 miles away from the capital city of Bangkok. Until the 1960s, Pattaya was just a fishing village. However, American servicemen fighting in Vietnam came to Pattaya for some rest and relaxation. These soldiers rented houses from Praia Sunthorn at the south end of the beach, which today is called the Strip. The American servicemen loved Pattaya so much, they started recommending others to visit, which they did, and word of mouth tourism began to spread. And just so you guys know, the proper way to say it is Pattaya, not Pattaya. But Americans say Pattaya, but it's really Pattaya. As of 2019, America was number 11 on the visiting list, with China being number 1, followed by Malaysia, Japan, Russia, Korea, India, Australia, Laos, UK, and Singapore, then the USA. Now, with everything going on around the world, China is no longer number 1 on the visiting list. From the looks of things, Malaysia and India has taken over the number 1 and 2 spots respectively, followed by Singapore, the UK, and rounding out the number 5 spot is America. I would like to think Zoom to Thailand has some influence on the uptick in numbers, but hey, what do I know? Pattaya, or Pattaya, has a tropical climate divided into wet and dry seasons. The hot and dry season runs from December to February, and the hot and humid weather is during March and April. The hot and rainy season runs from May to November. People always ask me, when's the best time to visit Pattaya? I say, anytime you can get out the matrix is the best time to visit. But in terms of popularity, November to February, when the weather is mostly dry and not too hot. However, this is the peak tourist season, when most beaches and major sites are packed with visitors and the prices reflect the demand. Pattaya is back. No more mask mandates, no more restrictions. It looks like 2019 all over again. Traffic is crazy. That's why I stay my butt in the house. It's like living in Las Vegas. Anyone whose people live in Las Vegas avoid the Strip at all costs unless they're hosting visitors. But if you're here for a few weeks on a vacation or a reset, the traffic wouldn't bother you nearly as much. Whenever I do my consultations, I always recommend that you try at least 3 or 4 different cities when you're in Southeast Asia. You want to find what suits you, what feels good to your spirit. Every city is different and features a different experience.
Tired of fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. The women in Pattaya outnumber the men 20 to 1 out here. No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mac. the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here.
Book a consultation, become a Patreon member, make new friends, and join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Your life will never be the same.
Here we go again. Let's see what my helpmate got going today. You hear that Thai talk? You hear him talking that Thai talk? What you making today? Egg? You know, I might want egg white. Can you take that part out?
You know what?
Yeah, the egg white. What's this? This chicken? Or pork?
No.
Oh, there must be some Thai stuff. I don't know what that is. I don't mess with this stuff. I don't know that. But I will eat my little veggie sausages. Yeah, this is what I eat, you guys. Try to eat the little Morningstar joints. Not bad. And then I'll just kind of like cut my hair. Just, you know, just it's the best with her. What you got going on there? I'm going to play golf in a few minutes. I might not have time. What are you making? Oatmeal? What are you making?
No, not oatmeal.
Not oatmeal?
I do have spinach.
Oh, spinach? Oh, yeah.
And this one is spinach.
Oh, yeah, that'll be good. Egg white, sausage and spinach. Yeah, like Popeye. You understand me?
Coffee.
Oh, yeah, where's my Thai coffee?
You try. Go look here. You want?
She make my Thai coffee. I call it Thai coffee because she made it. So it's Thai now, you know? Sweet. No, do you put a lot of sugar in here?
Little bit.
Yeah, I just need no sugar. You know I can't have too much sugar. Need no it.
Not sugar. This one.
Oh, okay. So that probably has sugar in it though, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
That shit look crazy. That does not look like an egg white. A lot of pepper. You know I like a lot of pepper.
Okay.
Cob. It's probably about 78 degrees. You know, it's not like Miami, like what's the word? Humid. It's not like humid like Miami, like you walk outside and your shirt is wet, but it's like bathtub humid. You know how when you get out the tub and you be in the bathroom with the door closed? It kind of feels like that.
All right, Elle's almost done with my breakfast. Let's get back in here and see what's going on. I think Kobe's hungry too.
Yeah, my boy. This is the best dog in the world. He has the best demeanor. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. He's just a spaz, though, man. This dude, he just jumps on you. It's like, he goes crazy, man. So we gotta, keep him at bay. You'll see what I'm talking about. Watch, man. And I love my dog, man. I love animals. For y'all dog lovers, y'all love this dog. He just never... Calm down. Hello. How are you? How are you, boy? See, even though he's right next to me, he wants to get closer. So because he loves to be loved. Everybody loves to be loved, right, Kobe? Boy. Now watch this. Watch. As soon as I let him, it's just a spaz. It's like a 6-year-old kid full of energy. Oh, the people coming today. That's right. You gotta go in the back. Good boy. Got them a little Thai pants. Get down. It's just a spaz. That's the only problem. Calm down. Sit. Sit down. Man, come on, man. You gonna mess up my Thai pants. Stop. That was your time to shine. All right, come on, Kobe, move. Out. You don't like to listen. He's such a lovable dog. All right, come on, man. Out. Enough. See, I literally gotta push him back. Cause he's a spaz. Elle don't jump on me like that. Oh, she making
seen somebody make eggs with chopsticks. I'm doing my egg whites with chopsticks. Ooh. I saw you with the chopsticks. What's the chopsticks for, El?
ไม่ได้
How you learn Thai? They be talking that Thai talk. I can't talk Thai talk yet, you guys. Thank you for making breakfast. I gotta go get in the shower now. She be really. This is her job. This is her job, man. Making sure I'm straight, and I don't ask for any of it. But I love having it. Actually, this is what I'm having, you guys. Before I let you guys go, I'm gonna let you see how it's going down. This is the raw and uncut video. Since y'all say we don't want to see the editing, we want to see the real videos. All right. You don't know, have any idea how much time you're saving me.
เสร็จแล้วไป
Said Leo.
ร้อนอีกร้อน
Are you eating? If you're not eating, I'm gonna go in there.
no not eat now
Lawn means hot. She said lawn is hot.
ก็ลงหรอก
Yeah, lawn. Thank you for my breakfast. Can you do me a favor? Can you say theme music?
D music
Oh.
เอ้า coffee ยุ่งกับวางไว้นี่แหละเนาะ
Oh yeah, my coffee. See, I messed up. I gotta say theme music again now. Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real. So they got it nice up in here. Sorry, Kyle. So nice. Who's she? Num Yai?
นมใหญ่ ใครวะ
Oh, Num Yai. So you see a girl you like?
นมใหญ่
See a girl you like? It's so simple, guys. I mean, you want to get married, you just, see that right there? You want to get married and then you take the elevator to success. If you want success, I tell you guys, man, it is not hard to have your dreams come true, you dig? So they got 24 rooms up in here. I mean, if this is what you want, this is what you're gonna get. You understand me?
Zoom to Thailand.
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 Zoom to Thailand. Hi.
Zoom to Thailand.
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 Zoom in Thailand.